Wendy's working on another painting here. Well, you started this one a while ago.
Oh, yeah, I'm just trying to... I never finished it, so...
Looks like tikis.
It's actually... Yeah, it could be. It's totems, actually. In the forest.
You like to paint in the garden?
I love painting in the garden. Yeah, I do.
Underneath the magnolia.
Yeah.
She's painting underneath the big leaf magnolia. And when you come and visit Gallery 59, here on the very northern tip of Salt Spring Island, you can see some of Wendy's artwork in her gallery. Little art gallery here, and also on display in our sunken exotic garden. So people from all over the world come here to Salt Spring Island, and they like to visit different studios, and we are studio number 16 on the studio tour. And that's what Wendy likes to do best, is hang out in the garden and paint.
Gardening and painting.
Gardening and painting, yeah. And you just acquired a bunch more plants today.
Very nice.
It is so nice out. It really doesn't get much better than this. It's just like the perfect temperature. Paint's not drying too fast. Got the sound of water happening.
Just out here painting on a beautiful summer day.
It's like a sunken garden.
In the garden.
Sunken.
Yeah, this garden's sort of our sunken garden. It's kind of our, well,
Very private.
it's like our little fern garden.
Fern grotto.
Fern grotto, yeah. And I mean, we do have lilies, we do have palms, we have fuchsias over there.
You can imagine is growing in this garden. I can see an angel in there.
There is an angel. Look at you. You see it.
So if you look closely at these paintings, you can see some Japanese writing. There's an angel. Some writing in there too. And some more up there. And there's a face right up there. She kind of incorporates lots of different things into her paintings. Those ones are, there's some totems in there too. Those look like totems in there. West Coast art. Lots of arbutus trees, dragonflies. There's some palmy ones. More dragonflies. And there's Joni Mitchell. And there's a little dog. He likes to hang out in here too. And over here, some dragonflies in there. And there's a mixed media too. That's kind of an erotic art. And there's dragonflies in that one too. So a good place to paint is in this garden. Isn't it, Miss T? Very fragrant in here too. She's got lots of lilies blooming. Yeah, it sure is. Yeah. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Cheers from Salt Spring Island.
Art. There's lots of art. Art. I like painting out here. Yep. Lilies. And it even smells nice. Beautiful.
It's very